Could AI really be the fastest way to become a millionaire right now? The world of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, and it's not just tech giants that are reaping the benefits. Everyday individuals are leveraging AI to generate significant income, and it's happening at an incredible pace. With AI, the barriers to entry are lower than ever, and the potential for wealth creation is vast. Ordinary people are using AI to become millionaires, and I am about to explore how. The idea that AI is only for those with extensive coding knowledge is a common misconception. Many people believe that AI is too complex, too technical, or too expensive to be accessible, but the truth is AI has become more user-friendly and affordable than ever. You don't need to be a coding expert to use AI. You just need to understand how to apply it to your advantage. The biggest challenge is often overcoming our own doubts and fears about working with technology. Another barrier is the idea that AI requires a huge investment to get started, but the reality is you can start small and still achieve significant results. AI-powered tools and platforms are available at various price points, and some are even free to use. The key is to focus on the potential benefits and not let cost or complexity hold you back. By embracing AI and being open to learning, you can position yourself for success. AI is not just about automating tasks, it's about creating new opportunities for wealth creation. One way people are using AI is through content creation. AI-powered tools can help generate high-quality content such as blog posts, videos, and social media posts in a fraction of the time it would take manually. This enables creators to produce more content, engage with their audience more effectively, and ultimately drive more revenue. AI is also being used to automate business processes, freeing up time for entrepreneurs to focus on high-leverage activities. For example, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries, allowing businesses to provide 24/7 support without the need for a large customer service team. This can lead to significant cost savings and improved customer satisfaction. Another area where AI is making a significant impact is in investment strategies. AI-powered platforms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions about market trends. This enables investors to make more informed decisions and potentially earn higher returns on their investments. One notable example of AI-driven wealth creation is the story of a young entrepreneur who used AI-powered content creation tools to grow his YouTube channel to millions of subscribers. He was able to produce high-quality content at scale, engage with his audience, and monetize his channel through ads and sponsorships. This entrepreneur's success story highlights the exponential power of AI in wealth generation. By leveraging AI, he was able to achieve in months what would have taken years through traditional means. The key takeaway is that AI can amplify your efforts, accelerate your progress, and help you achieve your financial goals faster. The potential for AI-driven wealth creation is vast, and it's happening right now. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or simply someone looking to increase your income, AI can help. The time to act is now, and the opportunities are endless. As you consider the potential of AI for wealth creation, remember that it's not just about the technology itself, it's about how you can apply it to your advantage. Don't be intimidated by the complexity of AI. Instead, focus on the benefits it can bring. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI and wealth creation in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about future technologies and money-making strategies, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.